Hi there, I'm Daniel and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly unhide rows and columns in Google Sheets with just a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, I have a Google Drive folder here, and in the folder, there are several Google Sheet files inside. Let's press on one of them, so there are several hidden rows and columns here. There are also hidden rows and columns in the other sheets. Let's click on another file. Same scenario here, there are hidden rows and columns. Okay, let's start. First, click on a new tab in the browser. We will paste the link to the spreadsheet containing the script. Okay, now we will see this. Now, before we press the Make a Copy button, it is always a good practice to view the script. Nowadays, it is easy to check whether the script is safe or not. You can copy the script and paste it in ChatGPT and ask it to check if the script is safe to use. Okay, next, we need to press the Make a Copy button here. So here we have the template with the one-click button. Alright, let's click the button to start. Since this is the first time we are clicking the button, we need to provide the necessary permissions for the script to run. Let's press Continue. And click on your account. Then, press Advanced. And click this link at the bottom. Last but not least, press Allow. Okay, now we press the button again. An input box has appeared. Right now, we need to decide whether to paste the spreadsheet IDs or paste the folder ID. For me, since all my files that I want to unhide are in one folder, I will press the letter F. Okay, now it is asking me for my folder ID. To obtain the folder ID, we need to go to our folder that contains the files and copy the folder ID as shown here. Now we go back to the template and paste the folder ID in the box. Press OK to confirm. Next, it is asking whether we want to unhide rows. So I'll press Yes. Next, it is asking me whether I want to unhide columns as well. So I'll press Yes. Alright, we are done. Let us take a look at our file. Yes, I can see all the rows and columns in this file. The columns and rows in all the sheets in the file are also visible. How about the other files? Yes, the rows and columns in the other files are all unhidden too. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest tutorials. See you in the next video.